Okay, so we're going to go through how to get LibreOffice installed on your computer at home. So I'm going to go to google.com first, and I'm going to type into the search line here LibreOffice, and I'm going to click search, and there we see home, LibreOffice, free office suite, blah blah. I'm going to click on it. Alright, and I'm going to go to this big button here, download now, and let's see what we're going to pick on here. So this thing will know what kind of you need, generally speaking, and almost certainly you're going to need Windows x86 with a 64-bit. Let's see, we will pick the more conservative one here because the early adopter power user, we're going to pick the safe one here, LibreOffice 6.1.6, and we see we've got the proper operating system here. I'm going to click download, and let's see what it's saying. Should begin shortly. Okay, so they're asking us for some money, and you should certainly consider it. And if I look down here on the left, it's 271 megabyte. So I'm going to pause this recording, and this is going to take a little while. Okay, so if you look down here, you see this, it's finished downloading, and I can click this button on the lower right, show all, and there it is. I have set this thing to record just this window, so I'm going to stop and start a new file, a new video, but they'll all be together and you'll see the next one.